The T-fal 2% Nonstick Fry Pan Set is a great addition to any kitchen. It includes 8-inch and 10.5-inch fry pans. These are essential sizes for everyday cooking. The non-stick surface is a game changer. Food slides off easily, and cleanup is a breeze. You can cook eggs, pancakes, and even stir fries without worrying about sticking. Plus, the black color looks sleek and modern in any home. These frying pans are not just for the stovetop. They are also oven and broiler safe up to 350 degrees F. This adds to their versatility, allowing you to start cooking on the stove and finish in the oven. The heat indicator is a smart feature. It turns solid red when the pans are perfectly preheated. This helps you achieve the best cooking results. The T-fal 2% Nonstick Fry Pan Set makes cooking simpler and more enjoyable for everyone. Cleaning up after cooking can be a hassle. However, these frying pans are dishwasher safe. This saves you time and effort after a meal. The non-stick coating also means fewer stuck-on messes to scrub by hand. While this set doesn't include saucepans or a wok, the two fry pans cover many basic cooking needs. The T-fal 2% Nonstick Fry Pan Set offers good value and convenience for your home. And it comes from a brand with a certain status. Pros: non-stick, 2 pans 8-inch size 10.5-inch size, oven safe, broiler safe 350 F safe, heat indicator, dishwasher safe, black color. Cons: non-stick coating wears, limited oven safe temp, not for high heat, may scratch easily. Aluminum body dents, handle might get hot, uneven heating possible, not induction ready, only 2 pan sizes, no lids included. Features: non-stick fry pan set 2-piece 8-inch 10.5-inch, oven safe, broiler safe, heat indicator, dishwasher safe. This T-fal signature non-stick fry pan set has 2 pans, an 8-inch one and a 10.5-inch one. These pans have a non-stick surface, so food will not stick easily. They can also go in the oven and broiler up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. A special spot on the pan will turn red to show when it is hot enough to start cooking. These pans are safe to wash in the dishwasher. This T-fal signature non-stick fry pan set has 2 black non-stick pans. One is 8 inches and the other is 10.5 inches. These pans can go in the oven and under the broiler if the temperature is not over 350 degrees. They have a special spot that tells you when the pan is hot. You can wash them in the dishwasher. Some things to know are that the non-stick might wear off. You can't use very high heat. They might scratch easily. The aluminum body could dent. The handle might get hot. And they might not heat evenly. Also, they won't work on induction stoves. You only get 2 pan sizes. And they don't come with lids.